Bloomberg BNA tax software review usage experience. Links to the product are in the description. Bloomberg BNA tax software is designed for tax professionals, accountants, and corporate tax departments handling complex tax planning, compliance, and research. It offers in-depth tax analysis, automation tools, and seamless integration with other financial systems. Key features include real-time tax law updates, multi-state tax calculations, scenario modeling, and detailed reporting. The software excels in accuracy and compliance, reducing manual work and ensuring up-to-date tax planning strategies. Its tax management portfolios provide expert guidance on various tax topics, making research faster and more reliable. The interface is structured for professionals, meaning it has a learning curve but delivers powerful functionality once mastered. Bloomberg BNA integrates with ERP and accounting software, improving workflow efficiency. It's best suited for large firms and enterprises rather than small businesses or individuals due to its complexity and cost. Pricing is premium, reflecting its comprehensive features and authoritative tax insights. Customer support includes detailed documentation, training webinars, and expert assistance, ensuring users maximize the software's potential. Overall, Bloomberg BNA tax software is a top-tier solution for professionals who require precise tax management, in-depth research, and automation. If you need a powerful tax tool with extensive compliance features, this software is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.